and today I'm going to show you how to create dynamic coupon code within Klaviyo to send to your list or to add to your email flows. So why would you want to do that in the first place is because websites like Honey and other alternatives are going to share your static discount codes publicly, and if you're a big brand or a mid-size one, it's going to be a problem. So it's going to slash 10% or more off of your margins, and obviously you don't want to do that, right? So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. You're going to go to Klaviyo, click on content right here, and then on coupons. This is where you're going to be able to create your discounts. Then you're going to create a Shopify coupon, and then you're going to pick a name. Basically choose a name that is going to allow you to, whenever you're going to have 10 or 20 discount going, you want to pick a name that is going to allow you to recognize which discount is for which email and to act upon it really quickly, because this can be really confusing if you run many flows and many email campaigns. So I'm going to pick YouTube, and then this prefix is optional as it is mentioned right here, but it's going to be the first few characters of your discount code. So whenever it's going to be sent out to people, if you call it like, let's say 10, the first few characters are going to be 10 and then some random characters attached to it so that your discount cannot be shared. Then you have to select what your discount is going to be. So a fixed dollar amount, a percentage off, or free shipping. They all work relatively the same. So I'm going to just get into percentage off. Maybe it's the most used, I believe. So pick percentage, and then maybe you want 15% off. You select 15, and here I want to apply it to the entire order, but you can even go even more specific and make it available only for one particular product or for one range of products. So your collection, if you only want to make it available for your best sellers, then you pick the bestseller collection that is on your Shopify store. So I only have one collection right here, but if you have multiple, they're all going to show up in this tab right here. So I'm going to make it available for the entire order and select a minimum purchase amount. I don't want people that order less than $20 worth of stuff to have access to that discount. So I'm going to put $20 here, and they're only going to get $15 off if they order for more than $20. And then I'm going to make the discount available at send time. I want people who receive the email to be able to order with the discount straight away. So I'm going to make it available at send time and not on a specific date. If you select that, it's going to ask you on what date you want to make it available. So I'm going to go ahead and pick at send time. Now for the expiry date, you can either pick never, so people are going to be able to benefit from the discount forever, and you don't want that because they will be able to get the discount and order multiple times. So if it's a pretty massive one, like a 30% off, they're going to be able to get 30% off forever. So I'm going to pick after a certain amount of days/hours, just because I want to be able to add urgency to my emails and say this discount is going to expire in 3 days. Make sure you place your order as fast as possible, preferably right now. So I'm going to make it expire in 3 days. You can even put it like, if you run a flash sale, only make it available for like 10 hours, etc. So this is also a possibility. Then once you've selected every setting that you want, click create coupon, and please remember the name that we assigned to this coupon. It's going to be YouTube in all capital letters. Now I already have prepared an email and I want to add the discount code to it. So I'm going to put the code right here. And now I'm going to select the discount code snippet. This is the string that is going to allow me to implement the discount code within the email. You can find it in Klaviyo Help Center. I selected it right here. So if you type this out in Google, you're going to be redirected to this article. It's the first link that shows up in Google, literally. So I'm going to show you where it is, and you copy that string and you add it to the email. So right here, it pasted it. Now I'm going to make sure it's white so it has enough contract so you can see it. And right here, instead of coupon name, you're going to add the name that you chose for your coupons. So it was YouTube for us. Make sure you spell it correctly, otherwise it won't work. And now it's good. I'm going to select preview just so we can try it out from our customer standpoint. And as you can see, each changed the piece of code to the discount. Now you can even send yourself the email so you are sure that it shows up properly inside of your inbox. So that was it for this video. If you need us to handle your emails and get you results like the one I'm going to paste on the screen, then go ahead and book a call with us. First link in the description, or if you scroll down to the comment, retainwithemails.com. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next one. Thank you.